Yahoo minna, Mochi sensei desu. Another Tokyotreat and Sakuraco box. And this video is sponsored by Tokyotreat and Sakuraco. Thank you very much. In the previous video, I just reviewed the taste of the snacks. That was it. And I thought it was too boring for you guys. So today, I want to mix Japanese lesson and unboxing Japanese snack box. So what I want to teach you today is onomatopoeia in Japanese. There are a lot of onomatopoeia sounds when we eat. So let's study that. And let's check out what is inside. And first of all, let me introduce what is Tokyotreat. Tokyotreat delivers most exclusive, limited edition and seasonal flavor Japanese snacks up to 20 that are only available in Japan for limited time. For example, Sakura Pepsi, Japanese Sake Kit Kat, ramen, and more. Japanese snack lovers will love this amazing box. And with these snacks, you can taste the unique flavors of each season in Japan, all in a convenient box. Well, thank you for listening. Let's open it. So this month theme is Fireworks Flavor Fest. Seems like Japanese Matsuri snacks. Ah, yes! Kit Kat. There's a lot of snacks already in here. So let's try each of them. First, KitKat. KitKat から食べます。塩レモン salt lemon flavor. Onomatopoeia to open this type of like paper bag is ビリビリビリです。こんな感じです。キットカット本当に小さくなりましたよね。It became so small, I think. Super delicious. とっても美味しいです。It's chocolate, but it's a lemon flavor, so it's very refreshing flavor. Can you hear the sound? This onomatopoeia is gonna be saku, 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 saku. Okay, next, I wanna drink something. Ta-da! Mystery Fanta. Looks like orange flavor, but the color is purple. 飲んでみましょう。わかんないです。わたあめ Cotton candy flavor, maybe. Oh, by the way, onomatopoeia for drinking sound is goku, goku, goku です。And I can check the flavor from here. Let's check the answer. I was way far from the answer. It was apple pie flavor. 次はコリンキー。コリンキーはね、私大好きなお菓子です。It's my favorite snack. ペリペリペリペリ。What do you think the sound of this snack is gonna be when you bite? This is saku 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 too, like Kit Kat. So can you kind of imagine saku saku sound? Like it should be light and crunchy. That's saku saku. It tastes like compotage. Next, sakura senbei. It says with sakura leaf. It's pretty. It's pink. The smell is とっても桜です。いただきます。美味しい。桜の味です。しょっぱい桜の味。とても美味しいです。As I told you, サクサク should be more light, like サクサク。But this one is little strong. We eat おせんべい。せんべい we make a sound ポリポリポリ。There's ramen in here too. 魚介と野菜のお出汁ラーメン、あさり味噌。Seafood and vegetable dashi ramen with miso clam flavor. Should be really good. I'm gonna eat this one later. Guys! Umaibo, yes! Super popular common snacks in Japan. And the flavor is tonkatsu sauce flavor. There are tons of flavors. Even there's a flavor of natto. Do you guys know what natto is? So this is saku-saku for sure. Listen.次、こちらにしましょう。歌舞伎揚げというおせんべいですね。これはオノマトペなんだと思いますか？覚えてますか？ Do you remember what I said about おせんべい sound? Well, it's actually カリカリ。The flavor is soy sauce, little sugar flavor. Almost every senbei tastes the same like this. A little sweet soy sauce flavor. Then I've been eating salty things, so I'm gonna go for this. セブンスティックチョコクリーム。こんな感じです。With chocolate. サクサクですね。It's good. It's really good, but it's not normal. It tastes like ウエハース chocolate. 次は綿菓子 cotton candy. Oh, this reminds me Japanese festival, summer festival. They always sell cotton candy. Peri peri peri. So this onomatope is gonna be ふわふわ fluffy.ふわふわの綿菓子です。I haven't eaten 綿菓子 for like few years. 私、綿菓子本当に好きなんです。Since I was a child, I'm addicted in cotton candy. 次はこれ。味カレーというお菓子です。ペリペリペリ。エビせんみたい。Looks like エビせん shape. It's a curry flavor, as it says in here, 味カレー。And it's a little spicy. 次、そば飯。そば飯。So そば stands for 焼きそば and 飯 stands for rice.Look, rice-shaped one and noodle in it. That's why it's そば飯。焼きそば sauce flavor. 美味しいです。I like sauce flavor. はい、次はなんだろう I think it's ラムネ。星。It's ラムネ。次はガブリチューです。This is also very common snacks in Japan. Soft candy. And the flavor is again ラムネ flavor. The flavor is exactly like ラムネ. And onomatope for this chewy things is ネチョネチョかな。ネチョネチョネチョ。そして次見て。Sakuraco face is printed.すごい very high quality. Sorry, I can't do it. Can you kind of see it? すごい This one printed 祭り Again, I don't think you can see it, but third one is firework. かわいいですね Flavor of candy? I'm so sorry.The previous gaburichu's flavor is too strong, so I only can feed ramune flavor right now. And this is the last snack, buritsu, umajio lemon flavor with black pepper. See, it says サクサクが止まらないオノマトペです。It's sour. I really like black pepper, so.It's good. I think many people wants to drink beer with this snack. 今月の東京トリートも美味しかったです。ありがとうございます。And next, Sakuraco です。So again, let me explain about Sakuraco box. Sakuraco is a monthly authentic Japanese snack subscription box. Sakuraco is supporting local Japanese snack maker, and each box comes with 20 traditional, authentic, and artisan Japanese snacks, including Japanese teas and a special Japanese tableware. I'm always excited which tableware is inside. Let's open! Ta-da! Festivals of Okinawa. Yay! So let's begin the snack tasting journey. これなんだろう、クッキー、ペリペリペリ。カリカリです。カリカリ。次、ノコギリエイのせんべい。ノコギリエイって何ですか？大きいです。Huge せんべい。So this part is nokogiri, like Chainsaw Man. It's like Chainsaw Man, that dog. I forgot the name of that dog. This part is nokogiri and this part is A. いただきます。パリパリで美味しいです。And again, せんべい。蜂蜜醤油味。ハニー醤油フレーバー。わ、またとっても大きいです。蜂蜜？パリパリ、カリカリ、サクサクですね。To be honest, I don't feel honey. Just tastes like normal おせんべい。But it's good because always おせんべい is good. And the tableware is かわいすぎませんか？うちわ。Oh, this is so pretty. ありがとうございます。かわいいですね。じゃあ次、黒糖まんじゅうです。ブラウンシュガーまんじゅう。小さい。ふわっとしてます。ふわっ。次、紅芋ドーナツ棒。You guys remember the last time there was a lot of brown sugar and 紅芋 snacks? Yes, Okinawan potato stick donuts. とても甘いけど美味しいです。I'm gonna choose salty snacks. なんだろう。Rabbit うさぎです。満月ポン。沖縄塩ポンせんべい。塩ポンです。すっごいサクサクしてそう。パンみたい。Looks like a bread. パンですね。Like a toast. It's my first time to eat this. なんか面白い。Interesting. 次、黒糖豆。ピーナッツですね。brown sugar peanuts. Like this. Brown sugar is like coating around the peanut. It's very popular in Japan. And 次、初恋果実。Pineapple. Oh, it says mochi. 皆さん、餅ですよ、餅。まんじゅう It's baked outside. I think mochi is inside. Yeah. Inside is mochi. You guys know this onomatopoeia, right? It's mochi mochi. 次、めちゃうまラー油あられ。あられ is also せんべい。But actually, I don't know the difference between せんべい and あられ. So I'm gonna Google it and write it in here. サクサクカリカリですね。辛い。Guys, it was really spicy. And this month, tea was 三品茶. 三品茶 is jasmine tea. Usually, we say jasmine tea, but only in Okinawa, they called it 三品茶. And 三品茶, I think many of you guys already have tried jasmine tea, so you may know this, but the color is like yellow. おいしい。次、 お、紅生姜豆。紅生姜大好きです。I love 紅生姜。コロコロしてますね。紅生姜味です。これは美味しいですね。次、いぶりがっこおかき。いぶりがっこ is some kind of smoky pickles. If you go to izakaya, you will find いぶりがっこcheese or something. これも面白いですね。This is also like for beer. いぶりがっこおかき。Please try it. I found something weird. トマトあられ which means tomato flavor せんべい。めっちゃトマト。本当にごめんなさい。I'm so sorry, but I hate tomato. トマト嫌いなんですよ。私トマトソースは好きなんですよ。I like tomato sauce, but I really don't like tomato. Which means this あられ tastes like real tomato. So that's why I don't like it. So if you like tomato, probably you're gonna really like this senbei. I'm wearing tomato colored dress, but yes, I don't like tomato. And this is the last snack. チョコモチ。オブラートだ、オブラート。Looks like a paper, right? But I think this is it's not a plastic paper. You can eat it. It says choco mochi, but it doesn't like a mochi. It's like a chewy chocolate. It's more chewy than mochi mochi. It's different. Chocolate is always good, so yeah, 美味しいです。ごちそうさまでした。Don't forget to use my code on the description. You'll get 5% off of your first box, as these boxes are perfect way to experience Japan for yourself. So check the links below. And thank you for watching till the end. It was pretty long video, but I hope you guys learned some of the onomatopoeia for food, for snacks in Japanese. And see you guys in the next video. Bye! またね